Welcome to today's video. Today's video is all about pattern. Yep, we're going to delve deep into pattern, how you can embrace it and how you can use it into your home. So I know a lot of people are quite scared of pattern, or they would rather just not go for anything patterned because it's just too daunting and too scary. However, you want to add pattern to your room because it adds another dimension. It adds personality, your own personality, and it also breaks up a room that if it's all painted and if it's all, just solid colors, it actually helps break it up a little bit more. So there's a lot of benefits of adding pattern, and there's actually lots of different ways where you can add pattern. And I'm just going to go through a few things and hopefully get you more embraced and more comfortable in using pattern. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing is that you want to think about is scale. So with scale, what you want to think about is, do I want a dominating or a complementary pattern? Now, with a dominating pattern, it's going to be a lot more louder, more in your face, larger scale is what I'm saying. So at the back, you can see the wallpaper behind me. It's quite dominating, it's, you can't miss it basically if you were to walk past. That would be quite a dominating factor, scaled pattern. The second element is if you prefer something a little bit more intricate designed or smaller scale designed, that would be your complementary pattern. So if you're thinking like you're quite happy with how everything is, you're just happy to add a little bit of design here and there, I would go for small scale design. And this can be in a lot of different ways, which I'll get into shortly. So then what you want to think about is adding the pattern in different rooms in different ways. So if you're not comfortable straight away adding patterns, say in your lounge or in your living room, or your bedroom even, why not get started in your bathroom? Right now, bathroom tiles are having a massive explosion. There's so much on choice, there's so much variety. You can add nice bathroom tiles in your bathroom floor, for example, and it will give you that pattern, instant pattern straight away, and you haven't had to, overcommit into another room that you used to going into quite a lot, and you just want to get comfortable with it. Bathroom tiles is a great place for you to start as well. Now, the third tip that I absolutely love, because it has the least amount of commitment, is adding pattern in your accessories. So your cushions, your throws, your rugs. Rugs is a great place to add pattern because it can hide stains, which is great if you've got kids. So, you've got your Persian rugs, with the beautiful red and pink, black embroidery going on. That would be great, just to add a little bit of character. And if you've been traveling and you see something that you quite like, bring it home if you can. And it will add that character, that personality, your personality into your home. So adding pattern in accessories is a great way to introduce it into your home. And the other thing that you can also look into is in your wardrobe. Do you wear any patterns that you subconsciously had no idea? You could, take inspiration from that and bring it into your home. So for example, I love like smaller, intricate design, and I include a lot of patterns on a small scale in my own home designs because that's what I like, that's what I'm used to, and I'm quite comfortable with it. Although I have ventured out a little bit further and gone out my comfort zone with the wallpaper behind me. Right, so the final tip is, speaking of being brave, is to go for something quite bold, but to actually upholster your furniture in your chosen fabric. So I've got a little example here. This is a gorgeous print, like an animal print kind of fabric in this gorgeous velvet, which is by Poodle and Blonde, and it looked amazing. They had done it on 2 chairs in a different color, and it looked absolutely stunning, and there was nowhere on the market that you would find it as well. So adding pattern in your furniture is really going to give you quite a lot of wow factor, more than something that you would buy on the high street. So I hope those tips were helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.